guys. Good morning. Sarah Boone appeared in court with what I think is the 7th attorney change, but this one was a little different. Something magical happened, and it's not even Christmas morning. She appeared happy. The judge was happy. The state was happy. Her attorney was happy. Maybe even the bailiff was happy. You can't tell. He's wearing a mask. What the hell is going on here? Whatever this attorney is doing it right, because she's stoked that her trial is being delayed and sometime well into next year. So they're going to set a status conference for January, and we'll hear what they have to say. Let's take a look at it. It doesn't take very long to watch the magic happen.
Ms. Boone to the center seat and swear in.
Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you shall give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
It'd be her truth.
Welcome back, ma'am. Tell me your name and your date of birth.
Sarah Boone, 10-10-77.
All right. In this case,
That's weird.
you were most recently represented by Mr. Bankowitz. I granted a motion to withdraw. We appointed Mr. Hobson. We set a status hearing today. Mr. Hobson, where do you stand as far as entering the case?
He's in.
And how much work do you think you have to get done to get the case ready for trial?
Well, let me start. I'll start at the back end, Judge. I would ask the court to set a status for sometime in January. I've had discussions with Ms. Booth before today, and she's okay with that, and I think that would make sense. I've got like a banker's box and a half of stuff I'm trying to wade through, plus the media stuff.
It doesn't sound like
I
too
think
much.
that would be the best. The
1.5
best option we've
boxes,
got
but
right
she's
now.
nodding yes. That's the best option.
So I don't have my dates, other than my pretrial and trial dates for next year. I don't have the calendar ironed out.
Okay.
But what I could do is just give y'all a January pretrial date, understanding that you're not representing that you're actually going to be ready to
Right.
announce trial.
Exactly.
But at least it's a next point to see how far you've gone, how much further you have to go.
Right.
My hope would be in January, you'd be able to give the court a realistic estimate of when you would be ready to announce trial.
Yes, sir.
State, are you okay if we handle it that way?
Yes, that sounds reasonable.
I have a January 16th pretrial date. Is that far enough into January, Mr. Hobson?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here's what we'll do. We will set pretrial conference on January 16th, trial period January 29th. The one thing I'm going to ask Mr. Hobson is if there are particular problems with the discovery, getting up to speed, that you know about before the 16th, if you could bring those to the court's attention beforehand.
Don't sleep
so
on this
we can at least
case.
start working those problems as they arrive. That would be my request.
Very good.
All right.
I would also ask the judge, the court as a caveat to indicate that it's a pretrial conference / status conference.
Sure. Have the court reflect that I'm setting it for pretrial conference / status for the defense to advise the court
Sure. We make
how
dreams
long
come true
before
here.
they
No
are
problem.
prepared for trial. I think speedy trial was waived long ago,
Yeah.
4 years on, Judge.
And that'll
Okay.
do it.
so I'm just going to court reset it for those dates.
Yes, sir.
Anything else I need to do on Ms. Boone's case today?
Nothing else, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Boone will be returned to the Orange County Jail pending disposition of her case.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you, Judge.
All right.
That's all I have. Have a good
Okay.
day.
Have a good day. Ms. Vega, are you ready on Hope?
So there you have it. Sarah is super stoked. Look at that. She appreciates what this attorney is doing. The judge mentioned if there's a discovery issue, bring that up early, but I don't think we've really seen that in this case. More likely the dispute would be whether he decides he wants to get a new expert to pursue this battered partner syndrome defense. That would require the court approving to pay for it. So you'd have to find the person and then get them to agree to do it, and then get the court to pay for it, and then get it done, then deal with the state on that, and then be ready for trial. So they'll come to a status conference in January, and then maybe they'll actually be ready to set the trial then. But I wouldn't be surprised if at some point, maybe even before January, you see a motion filed for another expert, if that's the avenue they want to pursue. We know that's what Sarah wanted. So anyway, that's what's going on right now. A win for the Booners out there. That's it. Thanks. Bye.